Assalamualaikum. It's Maryam Fahad here, and I am working at GSS as a senior CG artist. So basically what we do here is game designing, and today I'm going to give an overview about gaming designing and what softwares we basically use and what different genres we work on. So there are different softwares, and we don't restrict ourselves in limited softwares. Like for 3D there is Maya, Max, Blender. So I basically work on 3D Max for character to environment modeling, and then in animation as well. The basic gaming engine we use here is Unity, and that is on the dev end. So what we basically achieve here is the basic in-game look of our games, which is achieved through any 3D software, any at all. Like, we are not very restricted through which software we work on. So this is basically either Blender, or you are working on 3D Max for animations, or whatever you are comfortable in. So every 3D software is same, trust me.